The P-laser machine refers to a type of laser cleaning machine deduced by the German company Clean Laser System GmbH. P-laser stands for powerful laser or pulsed laser. This technology is used for surface cleaning and preparation in various industrial applications. The working process of a P-laser machine involves the following steps. Laser generation, used for various applications such as rust removal, paint stripping, degreasing and cleaning of different surfaces including metals, stone, concrete and more. Please note that technology may have advanced or evolved beyond my last update, so it's always a good idea to check the latest information from the manufacturer or official sources to get the most up-to-date details on the working process of P-laser machines. However, I can provide general information about car clean machines and how they typically work. Car clean machines, also known as car wash systems or car detailing machines, are designed to efficiently clean and maintain the exterior and interior of vehicles. They come in various types, including manual, automatic and self-service car wash systems. The basic working principle of a car clean machine involves the following steps. Pre-wash. This step involves the application of a pre-wash solution to loosen and remove dirt, grime and debris from the car's surface. The pre-wash solution helps to break down the contaminants, making them easier to remove during the subsequent wash stages. High-pressure wash. In this stage, a high-pressure water spray is used to rinse off the pre-wash solution along with loose dirt and debris. These solutions create a layer of foam that clings to the car's surface, softening and encapsulating the contaminants. Scrubbing or brushing optionals. Some car wash systems may include mechanical brushes or scrubbers that agitate the foam and help in removing dirt from hard-to-reach areas or textured surfaces like tyres. High pressure. An Aquajet clean machine suggests that it might be a cleaning device that uses water jets to clean various surfaces. If this is the case, the working process could be something like this. Water source. The Aquajet clean machine would require a water source, such as a hose connection or a built-in water tank pumping system. Depending on the type of device, it might be handheld, mounted on a cart, or have wheels for easy mobility. Additional features. More advanced models could include features like detergent dispensers for enhanced cleaning or attachments for specific cleaning tasks, such as car washing or patio cleaning. Keep in mind that this is a general outline of how a water jet cleaning machine might work. The actual working process of the Aquajet clean machine could vary depending on its specific design and intended use. To get accurate and detailed information, I recommend referring to the manufacturer's official documentation or reaching out to the manufacturer directly. Clean technology, a clean technology, often referred to as clean tech, encompasses a wide range of products, services, and processes that aim to reduce environmental impact, conserve resources, and promote sustainability. This includes renewable energy sources, solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, energy efficiency technologies, waste management solutions, electric vehicles, green building materials, and more infrastructure development. The infrastructure development involves planning, designing, building, and maintaining the physical and organisational structures needed to support society's functions. It includes various elements such as transportation networks, roads, bridges, railways, including engineering, project management, renewable energy technologies, environmental science, and policy development. It's likely that professionals involved in clean tech infra machine work play a vital role in advancing green initiatives and sustainable development globally. However, based on the information provided, it seems you might be referring to a car wash machine or system. Generally, car wash machines are designed to automatically clean vehicles without manual intervention. Here's how a typical car wash system works: entry and payment. Some car wash systems offer additional services like applying wax or polish for extra shine. Exit. Once the cleaning process is complete, the customer's vehicle exits the car wash area. Keep in mind that different car wash systems may vary in terms of technology, features, and automation levels. Some car washes may use more advanced techniques like touchless car washes, where high-pressure water jets and chemicals are used to clean the car without direct contact. It's essential to consult the specific documentation or instructions provided by the manufacturer of the Car Wash Sufu machine to understand its unique functionalities and operating procedures. Rug washing carpet clean machines are designed to deep clean and remove dirt, stains, and grime from rugs and carpets. Here's a general overview of how they work: filter and cleaning solution reservoir. These machines have a tank or reservoir to hold water mixed with a cleaning solution. The cleaning solution is typically a combination of water and detergent formulated to break down stains and dirt. Spray jets. The machine is equipped with spray jets that release the cleaning solution onto the rug or carpet. These jets are strategically placed to ensure even distribution of